they ended up coming in a day, and I got one more thing coming tomorrow. This one is a flexible phone and a GoPro mount. I gotta go get that bubble right before it flies away. And I'm going to be doing that in another video. You can use your cell phone or you can use a GoPro, and I will tell you the pros and cons with this on YouTube. Okay, here we go. Aiming downward. This is the flexible monopod, applicable to mobile phone camera, GoPro, LED lamps, and anything that accepts a monopod. Can be wound around any object that is suitable for the circumference. For example, railings, twings, bicycle handlebars, various frames, bicycle frames, wrist belts, carts, and so on. So you can put this on a golf cart. You can put it on your Jeep if you have one of those Jeeps that have the exoskeleton, which is what I really want to test these things out on, because I've gotten something similar to this before that was actually made by GoPro. And here's a picture of it on a tree, on what looks to be a swing set, on a bridge frame, on handlebars, monkey bars, and on a bike. A set of bike handlebars as well. One thing that they really don't stress enough is that it does work with GoPros, but someone also said that they bought it, and only one person said that they twisted it about 20 times over the course of, I believe, 2 or 3 months, and something in the neck snap. So do not tighten around the base or the neck of it. Try and get more around a little above that. Oh yeah. Someone also said that theirs didn't come with the base plate, and they're like, quality control. I'm like, dude, this is a Chinese company. But yeah, oh, looks like the phone holder also has you can put your phone on a tripod if you want. It doesn't have to just be this. It'll actually fit on a tripod. No, the sun just went in, so you're gonna have to rely on GoPro. It has a camera for a camera remote for Android and iOS. The iOS is bigger than the Android button. So it does have a remote. Sweet. It comes with the GoPro screw and the GoPro mount. Wow, and you can put it on a tripod or this, with this mount as well. So there's 2 things that you can put on a tripod if you don't want to use it just with this. So you get, even if you don't like the product, you can still find something good in it that you can use for other things such as tripods and other mounts. So that's always good. Link to this is in the description, maybe in the comments as well, might be a pinned comment. Stuck on something, there we go. Ah, it smells just like a Chinese factory. Here it is. It is bendy, yeah. So when I say like don't bend the base, I mean don't bend it right here. Bend it more so right here on the tip and right here. And don't bend it too fast. But yeah, you can also do like cool designs. A little snake, caterpillar. And I am going to test this probably with my phone on my bike as well. So this looks awesome, because you know GoPros, the newer ones definitely newer GoPros definitely have almost DSLR type cameras. At least in my opinion they do. So I'm trying to see how I would do that. Okay, I'll do it like that because I'm going to put it on the bike. I've never, I don't think I've ever tested my phone camera on a bike. I've always used GoPros, or I one-handed it if I did use my phone camera. And then you just pull it apart, make sure it's really in there, otherwise one bump your phone will go flying, and then twist this to tighten it. And this is what it looks like with the phone. Thank God the light came out. The sun came out again. Just be very careful with this. This is the Moment app with stabilizer turned off.